guest today from the Federal Aviation Administration is Dr. Carlos Manduley. He is the Senior Advisor for Education Partnerships. So, Carlos?
Good morning, how are you? My name is Carlos Manduley, I'm with the FAA. I'm the only presentation this morning which is not from the engineering point of view. However, I work very closely with schools of engineering and colleges of aviation throughout the country. As the Senior Advisor for Educational Partnerships in the Office of Civil Rights, we work with all the different schools, the minority-serving institutions throughout the country, trying to attract more young people to come into the FAA workforce. I'm here, we have a booth as well, I wanted to let you know, with internships and mentorship opportunities for students. So I'll tell you more about that in a moment. First of all, what is the significance of National Engineers Day in our nation's schools? Well, it's important for DOT to do this, to raise public awareness of the relevance of engineering and technology in our daily lives and to encourage young people and college students to consider careers in engineering and technology. Students interested in engineering should get preparation tips and advice from their counselors and science and technology teachers in their schools and colleges. They also should select a variety of science, mathematics, and engineering-related coursework and participate in engineering programs and projects. You can get an edge in your engineering careers. Young people in middle school and high schools, as well as college and university students, are truly the future of the nation. Right now at FAA, we have a school working with us together with the University of Maryland College Park, and this school is from Prince George's County, and we have 4 students working with FAA in air traffic organization. We have mentors working with them, and they are there for the last 6 months. They're doing a wonderful job. I'd like to see more schools like your schools to come out to the FAA and do similar things as well. In order to promote the vital contribution that engineers make to our society for the long term, those young people and technology and the students are crucial to reach. What is the team that I'm in, the National EO Outreach Team? We ensure that all members of society have equal access to programs and projects that may lead to future career, employment, and advancement opportunities at the FAA. We achieve this through an emphasis on internal and external outreach, I was just mentioning to you, consultation, collaboration, and education. So we reach out to minority-serving institutions. We're working with high schools, with senior high schools, technical schools, and so forth. This last January, I took part of an educational assessment program that we did at El Paso, Texas, whereby the FAA has a set of schools that we call Collegiate Training Initiative schools. And it was a school that is a 2-year community college. It was very rigorous, and it passed all the different qualifications. And that college, which is the Western Technical College in El Paso, passed with flying colors. And we now have a new collegiate training initiative school from that part of Texas. So I'm very pleased I was part of that evaluation as well. So that's one thing. Going to the FAA right now, what is our mission? You've been hearing about safety for all the different operating administrations. Yes, we like to provide the safest, most efficient aerospace systems in the world. What is our vision? We continue to improve the safety and efficiency of flight. We are responsive to our customers and are accountable to the taxpayer and the flying public. The FAA operates the world's largest aviation system. The FAA is a 49,000-person government agency that runs the largest air traffic network in the world. So what are some of our FAA careers, so-called? Some of them include the air traffic control, aviation safety, electronics, engineering, information technology, and many, many other professional opportunities that we offer. From there, I should mention a little bit about our national airspace system and what does that do in terms of our work. The daily demand in our national airspace system exceeds 50,000 flights a day. Peak counts approach 6,000 flights during rush hour, and demand for air traffic control services is forecast to increasing. The FAA is a great workplace for engineers. We have computers, civil, aerospace, you name it, we have them. And it's increasing our numbers as well. Safety and efficiency. That's one area that we like to push more all the time. You hear it all the time. Keeping pace with technology, we are doing it through NextGen. We need to do a lot more, and we keep on asking Congress to give us some assistance in this area, hopefully after April 8th. Aside from that, trying to modernize of air traffic control systems is another area that we are trying to keep up throughout the years and all throughout the country as well. So it's a nationwide effort. Working with industry and working with higher education is very important to us. Education is a very important part of what we're doing in terms of the FAA, working with the schools and the outreach that we do as well. The other area is fuel-efficient solutions, environmental stewardships, and lastly, to find out more about the FAA and outstanding career opportunities and benefits, we urge you to visit our career website at http://faa.gov/jobs for students interested to learn more about aviation and space education programs, which we work very closely with them, which is called AVSED, AVSED, and ACE, which is a summer program for Air Traffic Control Academy in the summer. Please contact Mr. James Brown in Boston at that email address, www.jamesbrown@faa.gov, or you can contact me. Thank you. Don't forget to stop in our booth here for FAA and learn more about our career opportunities. Thank you very much for inviting us.